हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू दी चैनल वेदांतु नीट मेड इजी। मैं हूं आपकी मास्टर टीचर कनिका और ये एक ऐसी सीरीज है जहां पर हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ऑल द नीट पीवाईक्यूज फ्रॉम वेरियस चैप्टर्स ऑफ बायोलॉजी। आज जो हम चैप्टर सॉल्व करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है केमिकल कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन। तो बच्चों, ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी यूनिट की इंपॉर्टेंस आप जानते हैं, तो जाहिर है कि ये चैप्टर जो ह्यूमन फिजियो यूनिट का लास्ट चैप्टर है वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो हार्मोन रिलेटेड, एक्शन ऑफ द हार्मोन रिलेटेड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। डिसऑर्डर्स, डेफिशिएंसी के कारण इन हार्मोन्स की कौन कौन से बॉडी में डिजीजेस हो सकते हैं, उससे रिलेटेड भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। सो आई होप आप रेडी हो, अपनी नोटबुक पेन आपने साथ रख लिया है। एंड प्लीज टेक अ नोट कि कितने क्वेश्चंस आज आप सही करेंगे, कितने गलत। कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखकर जरूर बताना हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस वेंट राइट फॉर यू। तो शुरू करते हैं विदाउट एनी डिले। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन, एरिथ्रोपोइटिन हार्मोन which stimulates RBC formation is produced by which of the following? नीट 2021 का सवाल है। अल्फा सेल्स ऑफ पैनक्रियाज, सेल्स ऑफ रोस्ट्रल एडिनोहाइपोफाइसिस, सेल्स ऑफ बोन मैरो और जक्स्टाग्लोमेरुलर सेल्स ऑफ द किडनी। बॉडी के कौन से सेल्स रिलीज करते हैं एरिथ्रोपोइटिन हार्मोन, वो आपका क्वेश्चन है। और यहां पर लगा देती हूं मैं आपके लिए टाइमर फॉर 15 सेकेंड्स, राइट? इट वुड बी इनफ। 15 सेकेंड में जल्दी से लिख देंगे आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ के अपना आंसर। सो हेयर बिगिंस योर टाइमिंग राइट नाउ। Erythropoietin hormone that stimulates RBC formation is produced by alpha cells of pancreas, cells of rostral adenohypophysis, cells of bone marrow, juxtaglomerular cells. So time up, of course, बच्चों, right answer is juxtaglomerular cells of kidney, जो आपने excretion chapter में भी पढ़े हैं। They are responsible for secreting erythropoietin hormone, right? आप देख सकते हो snip from the NCERT book. The juxtaglomerular cells of kidney produce a peptide hormone called erythropoietin that stimulates erythropoiesis, means formation of RBC. So ये बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन NCERT बुक से। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हार्मोन स्टोर्ड एंड रिलीज्ड फ्रॉम न्यूरोहाइपोफाइसिस आर। तो न्यूरोहाइपोफाइसिस पार्ट से पिट्यूटरी के कौन से हार्मोन्स रिलीज होते हैं? क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम नीट 2020। Thyroid stimulating hormone and oxytocin, oxytocin and vasopressin, follicle stimulating hormone FSH and LH, luteinizing hormone, prolactin and vasopressin. तो vasopressin का एक और नाम है, it is also called ADH hormone, जो आपने excretion में भी पढ़ा है, right? Antidiuretic hormone. 15 seconds, hurry up, let me know the answer in the comment section. Hormones stored and released from neurohypophysis, that is posterior pituitary, are which of the following? So time up, of course बच्चों, neurohypophysis दो hormones release करता है, oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin जिसका रोल है बहुत ज्यादा parturition में, uterus contractions कराने में at the time of delivery, and vasopressin which is responsible for conserving water in the body, right, by increasing the amount of reabsorption from the distal parts of the renal tubule. So see, neurohypophysis, right, known as posterior pituitary, stores and releases two hormones, oxytocin and vasopressin, okay, which are actually synthesized by hypothalamus but stored and released from posterior pituitary. Okay, is that clear? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मैच द फॉलोइंग, नीट 2020 का सवाल है। मैच द फॉलोइंग एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, थायराइड ग्लैंड, एड्रीनल ग्लैंड एंड पैनक्रियाज। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिजीजेस आर रिलेटेड विद द सिक्रेशन ऑफ दीज ग्लैंड्स? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर कुछ ग्लैंड्स गिवन है, सामने डिजीजेस हैं, ग्रेव्स डिजीज, डायबिटीज मेलाइटस, डायबिटीज इंसिपिडस, एडिसन्स डिजीज। Column 1 में you have pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas. You have to match with the respective gland. Clear? That's the question. 15 seconds, hurry up. Come on, write your answer. This is the last chapter of human physiology unit, quite important. 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन आराम से आप इस चैप्टर में से एक्सपेक्ट करो. So time up. Of course, children, right answer is option B. Why? Because pituitary gland से related है डायबिटीज इंसिपिडस, and thyroid gland is related with Graves' disease, adrenal gland is related with Addison's disease, and ultimately pancreas are related with diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus, okay? So that's the right combination. See here, NCERT book का snip देख लो एक बारी. An important and impairment affecting synthesis or release of ADH results in a diminished ability of the kidney to conserve water, leading to water loss and dehydration, thus causing diabetes insipidus, right? तो हमसे पूछा गया था यहाँ पे diabetes insipidus के बारे में, जिसकी secretion है related to pituitary gland. Similarly, underproduction of hormones by adrenal cortex alters carbohydrate metabolism, causing acute weakness and fatigue, leading to a disease called Addison's disease. Okay, exophthalmic goiter, form of hyperthyroidism, right? But characterized by enlargement of thyroid gland, protrusion of eyeballs, increased basal metabolic rate, weight loss. It is called Graves' disease. It is called Graves' disease. Prolonged hyperglycemia leads to a complex disorder called diabetes mellitus. Okay, so this is related to diabetes mellitus, secretion of pancreas. Okay, is that clear? So these are the respective diseases caused by hyper or under secretion of certain hormones from these glands. Next question, NEET 2020 से select the correct statement. Right statement आपको choose करना है. Glucagon is associated with hypoglycemia. Insulin acts on pancreatic cells and adipocytes. Insulin is associated with hyperglycemia. Glucocorticoids stimulate gluconeogenesis. Which of the following statements is correct? Read all the statements carefully. ध्यान से पढ़ो. Yes. 15 seconds, hurry up. Choose the correct statement. Glucagon is associated with hypoglycemia. Insulin acts on pancreatic cells and adipocytes. Insulin is associated with hyperglycemia. Glucocorticoids stimulate gluconeogenesis. Correct statement is glucocorticoids are responsible for stimulating gluconeogenesis. That's the true statement. See here. First line, as you can see, glucocorticoids stimulate gluconeogenesis, lipolysis, and even proteolysis, and inhibit cellular uptake and utilization of amino acids. Okay, is that clear? Now, next question. Which of the following conditions will stimulate parathyroid gland to release parathyroid hormone? Question from NEET 2019. Which of the following conditions will stimulate parathyroid gland to release parathyroid hormone? Fall in active vitamin D levels, fall in blood calcium levels, fall in bone calcium levels, or rise in blood calcium levels. When will the stimulation of the gland take place? Under which condition? So that कौन सा hormone release करना पड़ेगा? Parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone. So 15 seconds. Which of the following conditions? Come on. Fall in active vitamin D levels, fall in blood calcium levels, fall in bone calcium levels, or rise in blood calcium level. 3, 2, 1, time up. Of course, children, the right answer is it will take place when the calcium levels in your body will fall down. ठीक है, पैराथायरॉयड हार्मोन कब रिलीज करना पड़ेगा? जब कैल्शियम लेवल इंक्रीज करना हो बॉडी में. तो सिचुएशन क्या होगी? जब फॉल कर जाएगा कैल्शियम लेवल तो पैराथायरॉयड हार्मोन जो है रिलीज होगा. तो सी है, पैराथायरॉयड हार्मोन इंक्रीजेस द कैल्शियम लेवल्स इन द ब्लड. सो ऑब्वियसली कंडीशन क्या है? कैल्शियम गिरेगा तो आप ये हार्मोन, मतलब आपकी बॉडी ये हार्मोन रिलीज कराएगी. पैराथायरॉयड हार्मोन एक्ट्स ऑन बोन्स and stimulate the process of bone resorption. It also stimulates reabsorption of calcium by the renal tubule and increases calcium absorption from digested food. Okay? तो ये कैसा हार्मोन है? हाइपर कैल्सीमिक हार्मोन है. क्यों? क्योंकि ब्लड में किसका लेवल बढ़ा रहा है? ये कैल्शियम लेवल का. ओके, सो इट इज मेंटेनिंग कैल्शियम बैलेंस इन दी बॉडी. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आर्टिफिशियल लाइट, नीट 2019 का क्वेश्चन. Artificial light, extended work time, reduced sleep time, disrupt the activity of which gland? Thymus gland, pineal gland, adrenal gland, posterior pituitary gland. Artificial light, extended work time, and reduced sleep time is going to disrupt which gland's activity? 15 seconds, hurry up. Simple question. If you know the secretion of which hormone takes care of the circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythms means sleep wake cycle of yours. तो आप easily answer कर सकते हो. So of course children, secretion of pineal gland is associated with sleep time, right? Wake time. So basically अगर ये सब activities disturb हो रही हैं, daily lifestyle is changing, so which of these secretions will be affected? Pineal glands. Okay, clear? So see, pineal gland is located in the dorsal side of the forebrain. It secretes a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin plays important role in 24-hour, that is diurnal rhythm of our body, 24-hour sleep wake cycle. For example, it helps in maintaining the normal rhythms of sleep wake cycle, body temperature, etc., etc. Okay, clear? Next question. Match the following hormones with their respective diseases, associated diseases. So same question जैसा अभी हमने पहले भी solve किया था. नीट 2019 का सवाल है. Insulin, thyroxine, corticoids, growth hormone. You have to match which diseases associated with them. Addison's disease, diabetes insipidus, acromegaly, goiter, or diabetes mellitus. Which of the following hormones matches with their respective disease? So easy question. Half of the diseases have been covered earlier also. 15 seconds, hurry up. Write your answer. Option A, B, C or D. Insulin, thyroxine, corticoids, growth hormone. 3, 2, 1. Time up. Of course, children, right answer is option B. See, insulin is related with diabetes mellitus, as we have studied earlier. Thyroxine is related with goiter disease. Corticoids are related with Addison's disease, and ultimately growth hormone causes acromegaly, excessive release of growth hormone. See, you can highlight in your NCERT book small snips from NCERT that deficiency of iodine in our diet results in hypothyroidism, means under secretion of thyroxine hormone, enlargement of thyroid gland, commonly called goiter. Similarly, pancreas associated with diabetes mellitus, right? Acromegaly, when excessive secretion of growth hormone takes place in adults, it results in disfigurement of the face, and this condition is called acromegaly. Okay, and lastly we have Addison's disease, which is related with underproduction of hormones secreted from adrenal cortex, which are going to alter the carbohydrate metabolism of our body. Ultimately the person will become weak, he or she will feel fatigued and all. So these will be the symptoms. So we have discussed 3-4 types of diseases till now: acromegaly, Addison's disease, diabetes mellitus, diabetes insipidus, and then we have goiter. Clear? Next question on your screen, it is related to hormone action. नीट 2019 का ही सवाल है, right? Identify A, B and C in the diagrammatic representation of mechanism of hormone action. Select the correct option. ठीक है, right option choose करेंगे यहाँ पे. A is steroid hormone, B is hormone receptor complex, and C is protein. A is protein hormone, B is receptor, C is cyclic AMP. Steroid hormone, receptor, second messenger. Protein hormone, cyclic AMP, hormone receptor complex. So you have to mark the correct labels for A, B and C. Look at the diagram. This is a question from hormone action in your body. So ready with the answer? Choose the correct option. 15 seconds, hurry up. Correct option from the following. Is A steroid hormone or protein hormone? B is receptor, complex or cyclic AMP. C is protein, second messenger, complex, or... So children, right answer is A is protein hormone, B is receptor molecule where the complex will be formed, and ultimately C is the cyclic AMP. and you can see snip from NCERT book, exact diagram. Protein hormones are related here, right? How does the protein hormone work in the body? So let's say this is the hormone, for example FSH. Okay, example is also given. This is a receptor molecule. See, this is receptor. Response 1 is generated, and ultimately response generation of second messenger, that is in the form of cyclic AMP. Okay, clear? So this is action of protein hormone. Next question, how does steroid hormone influence the cellular activity? नीट 2019 का सवाल कौन से हार्मोन के बारे में पूछा गया? स्टेरॉइड हार्मोन. जो हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन किया इट वाज रिलेटेड टू प्रोटीन हार्मोन एक्शन. ओके, तो कैसे अफेक्ट करेगा स्टेरॉइड हार्मोन सेलुलर एक्टिविटी को? बाय बाइंडिंग टू डीएनए एंड फॉर्मिंग जीन हार्मोन कॉम्प्लेक्स, एक्टिवेटिंग साइक्लिक एएमपी लोकेटेड ऑन सेल मेम्ब्रेन, यूजिंग aquaporin channels as second messenger, changing the permeability of the cell membrane. So these are the options. How is a steroid hormone going to act? That's the question. 15 seconds, hurry up. Write your answer in the comment section. Hurry up. How do steroid hormones influence? So is your answer ready? Because time is up. Of course, children, they are going to bind to the DNA. बेसिकली जीनोम के साथ बाइंडिंग होगी एंड अल्टीमेटली क्या बनेगा? एक जीन हार्मोन कॉम्प्लेक्स बनेगा. व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर्म्ड? जीन हार्मोन कॉम्प्लेक्स इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर्म्ड. ओके, क्लियर? सी लाइन फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी बुक. Hormones which interact with intracellular receptors, for example steroid hormones, iodothioronins, mostly regulate gene expression or chromosome function by interaction of hormone receptor complex with the genome. Genome means DNA. Okay, clear? Next question, which of the following hormones can play a significant role in osteoporosis? Right, तो osteoporosis हमने बहुत अच्छे से locomotion and movement chapter में भी पढ़ा है. नीट 2018 का क्वेश्चन है. Osteoporosis is affected by estrogen and parathyroid hormone, progesterone and aldosterone, aldosterone and prolactin, parathyroid hormone and prolactin. Which of the following hormones can play a significant role in osteoporosis? Estrogen and parathyroid hormone, progesterone and aldosterone, aldosterone and prolactin, parathyroid hormone and prolactin. 15 seconds, hurry up, come on. Which hormones might be affecting or might be causing osteoporosis? Yes, hurry up. Write your answer. Time up. So of course children, it is affected by the activity of estrogen and parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone जो कैल्शियम लेवल को इंक्रीज करता है, राइट, एंड एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन जब डिक्रीज हो जाएगा बॉडी में तो इट विल बी लीडिंग टू ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस. तो ये एक ऐसी कंडीशन है जिसमें बोन मास गेट्स रिड्यूस्ड, बोन्स बिकम वेरी वीक. ठीक है, मोस्टली इसकी वजह से ओल्ड एज में फ्रैक्चर्स होने की ज्यादा चांसेस रहते हैं, बोन्स बिकम वीक, एंड इट इज मोर कॉमनली सीन इन वुमेन, मोर कंपैरेटिवली. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम नीट 2017. GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, which is a hypothalamic hormone needed in reproduction, acts on anterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of LH and oxytocin, anterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of LH and FSH, posterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of oxytocin and FSH, posterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of LH and relaxin. So gonadotropin releasing hormone कहाँ से रिलीज होगा and it is going to act on which hormones or which part of the body? Okay, clear? 15 seconds, hurry up, write your answer. GnRH, a hypothalamic hormone needed in reproduction, acts on which part of the pituitary and stimulates which hormones? So time up, of course children. GnRH act करेगा anterior pituitary पे, right, part of anterior pituitary, and it is going to secrete, stimulate the secretion of luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. Is that clear? See, You can underline, it is given in two parts. So a hypothalamic hormone called gonadotropin releasing hormone stimulates pituitary synthesis and release of gonadotrophins, right? And followed by it, what are the gonadotrophins going to do? In males, LH stimulates synthesis and secretion of hormones called androgens, and in males only FSH and androgens regulate spermatogenesis. In females, the function is different. Okay, clear? LH and FSH stimulate gonadal activity and hence they are called gonadotrophins. Is that clear? Next question. Name a peptide hormone which acts mainly on hepatocytes, means liver cells, adipocytes, fat cells, and enhances cellular glucose uptake and utilization. नीट 2016 का सवाल है. Which hormone is it? Insulin, glucagon, secretin, gastrin. Name a peptide hormone that acts on hepatocytes, adipocytes, and enhances cellular glucose uptake and utilization. 15 seconds, hurry up. Write your correct answer. Name a peptide hormone which acts mainly on hepatocytes, adipocytes, and enhances cellular glucose uptake. So such hormone is insulin, which is going to increase glucose uptake in your body. Okay? Released from pancreas. Clear? See, insulin is a peptide hormone. You can underline that line. Question में भी peptide hormone पूछा गया था. That plays a major role in regulation of glucose homeostasis. It acts on hepatocytes, adipocytes, which are cells of adipose tissue, and enhances cellular glucose uptake and utilization. Okay, so that's why there is rapid movement of glucose from blood to hepatocytes and adipocytes, resulting in decreased blood glucose level. Decreased blood glucose level होगा तो कौन सी condition होगी? Hypoglycemia, right? And if it will be opposite, it will be hyperglycemia. Clear? Under secretion, hypoglycemia. Over secretion, hyperglycemia. Okay, clear? The posterior pituitary is not a true endocrine gland. Posterior pituitary true form में एक endocrine gland नहीं है. What's the reason? NEET 2016 question, काफी अच्छा question है ये. It is provided with a duct. It only stores and releases hormones. It is under the regulation of hypothalamus or it secretes enzymes. What is the reason कि हम anterior pituitary को तो एक true endocrine gland मानते हैं, but we do not use the term endocrine gland truly for posterior pituitary, that is neurohypophysis. So 15 seconds, hurry up. Write your answer. Posterior pituitary is not a true endocrine gland. Why? Because it is provided with a duct, it only stores and releases hormones, it is under regulation of hypothalamus or it secretes enzymes. So of course children, it only stores and releases hormones. तो posterior pituitary सिर्फ store करेगा, release करेगा, लेकिन उसको secrete कौन करता है? Right? In hormones को, it is secreted by hypothalamus itself. तो hypothalamus जो master gland है वो खुद secrete करेगा and it will store and release only from posterior pituitary. See? Neurohypophysis, known as posterior pituitary, stores and releases two hormones. Which hormones? Oxytocin and vasopressin. तो सिर्फ storage और release का काम है, secretion का काम hypothalamus का है. Okay? It is not the part of posterior pituitary, not the function of posterior pituitary. Next question. NEET 2016 से Graves' disease is caused due to hyposecretion of thyroid gland, hypersecretion of thyroid gland, hyposecretion of adrenal gland, hypersecretion of adrenal gland. Graves' disease किस वजह से होता है? जब thyroid gland over secrete होता है, under secrete होता है, या adrenal gland की secretion बढ़ जाती है या कम हो जाती है. 15 seconds, that's the question. हमने पहले भी किया match the following में Graves' disease के बारे में. It is related to which gland? Hyposecretion of thyroid, hypersecretion of thyroid, hypo or hyper of adrenal. So right answer, it is because of oversecretion of thyroid gland causing Graves' disease. Graves' disease. Clear? See? exophthalmic goiter is a form of hyperthyroidism characterized by enlargement of the gland, thyroid gland, protrusion of eyeballs, and increased basal metabolic rate causing weight loss, also called Graves' disease. So hyperthyroidism condition is Graves' disease. Okay, clear? Next question. Which of the following hormones is not involved in sugar metabolism? AIPMT question, not involved in sugar metabolism. Cortisone, aldosterone, insulin, glucagon. Which of the following is not involved in sugar metabolism? Cortisone, aldosterone, insulin or glucagon? 15 seconds, hurry up. Yes, quickly mark the right answer. Which hormone is not involved in sugar metabolism? Simple question hai. Very simple, children. Right answer is aldosterone, because aldosterone is related with regulation of excretory products. मतलब कि जब बॉडी में बॉडी फ्लूइड्स कम हो जाएंगे, लिक्विड इनटेक कम होगा, बॉडी में डिहाइड्रेशन हो जाएगी, उस टाइम पर कंडीशनल रीअब्जॉर्प्शन फ्रॉम रीनल टिब्यूल कराने के लिए कौन सा हार्मोन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? इट इज एल्डोस्टेरॉन. For conditional reabsorption from DCT, aldosterone will come into action. It is not related with sugar metabolism. It is related with regulation of excretory products. For example, aldosterone acts mainly at the renal tubule, stimulates reabsorption of sodium ions and water, and excretion of potassium and phosphate ions. So, aldosterone helps in maintenance of ions, that is electrolytes, body fluid volume, osmotic pressure and blood pressure, and also you can add GFR को भी regulate करता है. Okay, it is also regulating GFR by increasing or decreasing the blood pressure. Clear? Now, which of the following hormones, though synthesized elsewhere, is stored and released by master gland? ऐसा कौन से हार्मोन है जो सिंथेसाइज कहीं होते हैं लेकिन स्टोर और रिलीज कहां से होंगे? मास्टर ग्लैंड से. एंटी डायूरेटिक हार्मोन, ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन, प्रोलैक्टिन हार्मोन और MSH, मेलानोसाइट स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन. Which of them will be synthesized elsewhere and stored and released from master gland? 15 seconds, hurry up. Write your answer. ADH, LH, prolactin or MSH? 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Of course, children, right answer is ADH. It is synthesized elsewhere, but it is released from the posterior pituitary part. See, neurohypophysis stores and releases two hormones, oxytocin and vasopressin. So vasopressin's other name is ADH, which are actually synthesized by hypothalamus. तो synthesis किसने किया? Hypothalamus ने. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था, लेकिन इसको फिर ट्रांसपोर्ट कर दिया न्यूरोहाइपोफाइसिस के पास, मींस पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी के पास. कहाँ आ गए हॉर्मोन्स? पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी के पास, टू गेट स्टोर्ड एंड रिलीज्ड आफ्टरवर्ड्स. वासोप्रेसिन का काम क्या है? इट एक्ट्स ऑन द किडनी एंड स्टिमुलेट्स रिजॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर and electrolytes by distal tubules, therefore reducing the loss of water through urine, that is diuresis, and it is also called anti-diuretic hormone, that is ADH. Okay, clear? तो ये बात आपने already excretory products in the elimination chapter में भी पढ़ी है and समझी है. Clear? Next question, AIPMT 1995. According to the accepted concept of hormone action, if receptor molecules are removed from target organs, अगर target organ से receptors remove कर दें तो target organ को क्या होगा? Will it be able to accept the hormone or not? Not respond to the hormone, one condition. Continue to respond to the hormone without any difference. Continue to respond to the hormone but in an opposite way. Continue to respond to the hormone but will require higher concentration. What is going to happen if acceptor molecules are removed from target organs? 15 seconds, hurry up. If receptor molecules are removed from target organ, then the target organ will be not able to respond, continue to respond, or the way will change? So of course children, it will not respond. अगर receptor molecules नहीं है तो hormone receptor complex नहीं बन पाएगा, जिसके कारण the target organ will not be able to respond to the hormone. Is that clear? So that's the response. See कैसे action होता है? Hormones produce their effects on target tissues by binding to specific proteins called hormone receptors located in target tissues only. Hormone receptors present on cell membrane of target cells are called membrane bound receptors, and receptors present inside the target cells are called intracellular receptors. Nuclear receptors are also there. So it leads to the formation of hormone receptor complex. Okay, each receptor is specific to one hormone, and that's why we call it specific receptor. Okay, is that clear? So hormone receptor complex formation only leads to certain biochemical changes in the target tissues. Okay, that's how the target organs react to hormone. Clear? Next question. AIPMT question. Identify the hormone with its correct matching of source and function. तो क्या हम ऑक्सीटोसिन को डिराइव करते हैं पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी से, एंड इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ग्रोथ एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ मेमोरी ग्लैंड्स. Melatonin is derived from pineal gland and regulates the normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle. Progesterone derived from corpus luteum, stimulation of growth and activities of female secondary sex organs. Atrial natriuretic factor released from ventricular wall increases blood pressure. 15 seconds, hurry up. Mark the correct hormone with its correct site of release and the function it performs in the body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time up. Right answer is melatonin, which is released from pineal gland of the brain, and it is going to regulate sleep-wake cycle of our body. Circadian rhythms, or we can call them 24-hour cycle, diurnal cycle. Okay, so that's the correct match. See, pineal gland. Pineal gland is located on dorsal side of forebrain. It secretes a hormone called melatonin. It plays an important role in 24-hour rhythm of our body. Okay, clear? It maintains sleep-wake cycle, body temperature, etc., etc. Menstrual cycle, defense capability. So these are additional functions. Main is 24-hour cycle or sleep-wake cycle. Next question. Fight or flight reactions cause activation of. So when you are in an emergency situation of fighting or running away, that's fight or flight. So these reactions will be activated by parathyroid glands leading to increased metabolic rate, kidney leading to suppression of renin, angiotensin, aldosterone, adrenal medulla leading to increased secretion of epinephrine and norepinephrine, pancreas leading to reduction in blood sugar levels. Basically ये hormones कहाँ से release होते हैं and what action do they cause in the body? Which hormone is released by them? 15 seconds, hurry up. Fight or flight reactions cause activation of which glands causing which activity? 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time up. Of course, fight or flight hormone is released from adrenal medulla, causing normal secretion of epinephrine or norepinephrine. Okay, adrenaline hormone, जो कि emergency situation में it will increase your blood pressure, heartbeat, heart rate, cardiac output will increase. Okay, and all those activities will help you react in emergency situation. तो देख सकते हो यहाँ पर NCERT SNP में adrenal medulla secretes two hormones called adrenaline or epinephrine or noradrenaline or norepinephrine. These are called catecholamines. Adrenaline is secreted in response of any kind of stress during emergency situation, and it is also called emergency hormone or hormones of fight or fright. Okay, so they are going to increase your alertness, pupillary dilation will increase, piloerection means hair goosebumps will occur, sweating etc. it will take place, heart rate, rate of respiration, heartbeat will increase. cardiac output will increase. So these are the effects of adrenaline hormone in your body released from adrenal medulla. Clear? Which of the following statements is correct with relation to the endocrine system? Right? So NEET 2013 का क्वेश्चन है, एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम से रिलेटेड राइट बात कौन सी, करेक्ट बात कौन सी है? एडिनोहाइपोफाइसिस इज अंडर डायरेक्ट न्यूरल रेगुलेशन ऑफ हाइपोथैलेमस. Organs in the body like gastrointestinal tract, heart, kidney, liver do not produce any hormones. Non-nutrient chemicals produced by the body in trace amount that act as intercellular messengers are known as hormones. Releasing and inhibitory hormones are produced by pituitary gland. Which of the following statements is correct? 15 seconds, hurry up. Adenohypophysis is under direct neural regulation of hypothalamus. Non-nutrient chemicals produced by body are called hormones, etc., etc. So you must have read all these statements. Right answer that you see is non-nutrient chemicals. कुछ ऐसे chemicals body में secrete होते हैं बहुत कम amount में, बहुत trace amount में, right? जो कि किसकी तरह act करते हैं? Intercellular messenger की तरह act करते हैं, and these are called hormones. These are called hormones. Clear? See here, definition of hormones is given. Hormones are non-nutrient chemicals which act as intercellular messengers and are produced in trace amounts. Trace amounts means small amounts, minor amounts. Clear? Next question. Select the answer. NEET 2013 का ही सवाल है. Select the answer which correctly matches the endocrine gland. So ये आपके पास endocrine gland given है. कौन सा हार्मोन वहां से रिलीज होता है, that is given. फंक्शन गिवन है या डेफिशिएंसी सिम्टम्स मेंशन है. तो आपको करेक्ट सेट चूज करना है जिसमें ग्लैंड भी सही हो, हार्मोन भी सही हो और फंक्शन भी सही हो. एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी रिलीज करता है ऑक्सीटोसिन जो स्टिमुलेट करेगा यूट्रस कॉन्ट्रैक्शन को ड्यूरिंग चाइल्ड बर्थ. पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी स्टिमुलेट करेगा ग्रोथ हार्मोन को दैट कॉजेज ओवर सिक्रेशन ऑफ और एबनॉर्मल ग्रोथ. ओके. थायराइड ग्लैंड रिलीज करेगा थायरोक्सिन हार्मोन that causes lack of iodine in diet. Corpus luteum releases testosterone stimulating spermatogenesis. So just have a look at the whole set. Endocrine gland कौन सा है, हार्मोन कौन सा है और उसका फंक्शन और डेफिशिएंसी सिम्टम कौन सा है, राइटली मैच्ड. ओके, कौन से सेट में सही है? ऑप्शन ए, बी, सी और डी. सो योर टाइम बिगिंस नाउ. 15 seconds, hurry up. Endocrine glands given are anterior pituitary, posterior pituitary, thyroid gland, corpus luteum. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Time up. Right answer is thyroid gland releasing thyroxine hormone. Lack of iodine में क्या होगा? Goiter disease will be caused. Okay. If there is less iodine, deficiency of iodine, right, in your diet, then it causes goiter disease. Clear? See, we have already marked this. हम कर चुके हैं इसको, फिर से मार्क कर लो. That you know, follicular cells release hormones called thyroxine, T4 or tetraiodothyronine. Iodine is essential for normal secretion of hormone synthesis in the thyroid gland. Deficiency of iodine in our diet results in hypothyroidism and enlargement of thyroid gland causing goiter disease. Clear? A pregnant female delivers a baby who suffers from stunted growth, mental retardation. So these are the symptoms: stunted growth, mental retardation, low intelligence quotient and abnormal skin. This is the result of NEET 2013 question: deficiency of iodine in diet, low secretion of growth hormone, cancer of thyroid gland, over secretion of pars distalis. कब ये symptoms होंगे? न्यूबॉर्न बेबी में, इफ द बेबी सफरिंग फ्रॉम विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशंस? आयोडीन कम था डाइट में मदर के, सिक्रेशन जो है ग्रोथ हार्मोन की कम थी, कैंसर था थायराइड ग्लैंड में, या ओवर सिक्रेशन हुआ था पार्स डिस्टालिस रीजन से, पिट्यूटरी से. राइट? 15 seconds, हरी अप. राइट योर करेक्ट आंसर. stunted growth, mental retardation, low intelligence quotient, and abnormal skin. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right answer is it happened because there was lack of iodine in the diet, deficiency of iodine in the diet, that led to goiter disease, kind of goiter like condition. Okay, so see here, अभी हमने पढ़ा था goiter condition, right? Hypothyroidism during pregnancy causes defective development and maturation of the baby, leading to stunted growth, that is called cretinism. Mental retardation, low intelligence quotient, abnormal skin, deaf mutism, etc. Okay, clear? Understood? This is due to less secretion of thyroxine hormone. Hypothyroidism. Okay, clear? Next question. AIPMT 2012, it was asked, a person entering into an empty room suddenly finds a snake right in front on the opening of the door. Which of the following is likely to happen in his neurohormonal control system? Neuro means something which is regulated by your neural system. Hormonal means chemical control, hormonal control. Sympathetic nervous system is activated, releasing epinephrine or norepinephrine from adrenal medulla. Neurotransmitters diffuse rapidly across the cleft and transmit a nerve impulse. Hypothalamus activates parasympathetic division of brain. Sympathetic nervous system is activated, releasing epinephrine, norepinephrine from adrenal cortex. तो एक इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन है, एक पर्सन है जिसने एंटर किया एक रूम में, राइट? सडनली एम्प्टी रूम था, उसमें एंटर किया एंड दरवाजा खोलते उसको क्या दिख गया? सामने सांप दिख गया, राइट? स्नेक का व्यू मिला, तो एकदम से क्या सिस्टम जो है डिस्टर्ब होगा? न्यूरो हार्मोनल सिस्टम का रेगुलेशन चलेगा बॉडी में उस टाइम पर, इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन में। तो क्या सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम एक्टिवेट होगा, न्यूरो ट्रांसमीटर्स डिफ्यूज करेंगे, हाइपोथैलेमस एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा, या सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम की वजह से कुछ हार्मोन्स एड्रीनल कॉर्टेक्स से रिलीज होंगे या एड्रीनल मेडुला से रिलीज होंगे। सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द सिचुएशन? दैट्स द क्वेश्चन। हैव यू रेड दी स्टेटमेंट्स केयरफुली? ध्यान से पढ़ लिया सबने? 2012 का सवाल है ये, PYQs, राइट? हैव यू रेड द क्वेश्चन? गो थ्रू द ऑप्शंस। 15 seconds, hurry up. 15 seconds, hurry up. Sympathetic nervous system is activated, releasing epinephrine or norepinephrine. Neurotransmitters diffuse, hypothalamus activates, etc. etc. So the right answer is, of course, emergency situation है तो autonomic nervous system का sympathetic nervous system will come into action, जो कि adrenaline का release कराएगा from adrenal medulla, right? Adrenaline hormone, epinephrine, norepinephrine will be released from adrenal medulla, जो heart beat increase करेंगे, cardiac output increase करेंगे, breathing rate बढ़ जाएगा, sweating will take place, pupil dilation will occur, and all those symptoms will be seen for a certain period of time. फिर उसके बाद फिर से पैरासिम्पैथेटिक सिस्टम एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा नर्वस सिस्टम का, एंड इट विल ब्रिंग ऑल द थिंग्स बैक टू नॉर्मल। क्लियर? सो यू कैन सी, ऑलरेडी मार्क कर लिया हमने। एड्रीनल मेडुला क्या सिक्रीट करेगा? एड्रेनलिन, एपिनेफ्रीन, नॉरएपिनेफ्रीन, राइट? और ये जो है स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स हैं, किस सिचुएशन में हेल्प करेंगे? फाइट और फ्लाइट में। और ये सारे सिम्टम्स मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिए हैं। रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम अफेक्ट होगा, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम अफेक्ट होगा, मस्कुलर सिस्टम विल बी अफेक्टेड, स्वेटिंग विल टेक प्लेस, piloerection, raising of hairs, goosebumps will take place, and all these situations will occur in when your sympathetic nervous system of brain becomes active, thereby regulating your adrenaline hormone, okay, your chemical coordination system. Next question, AIPMT 2012 से, which of the following pair of hormones are the examples of those that can easily pass through the cell membrane of target cell and bind to a receptor inside it, mostly in the nucleus? ऐसे कौन से hormones हैं जो न्यूक्लियस सेल मेम्ब्रेन को क्रॉस कर सकते हैं? पहली बात अच्छे से, राइट? और अंदर जाकर रिसेप्टर से बाइंड करेंगे सेल के, okay, and mostly it is going to bind in the nucleus region. कौन से hormones हैं? Insulin, glucagon, thyroxine, insulin, somatostatin, oxytocin, cortisol and testosterone. तो बच्चों एक बात क्लियर है, न्यूक्लियस में जा रहे हैं तो जीनोम के पास जाएंगे तो कौन से हॉर्मोन्स हो सकते हैं? ये स्टेरॉइड हॉर्मोन्स. तो अब आपको इनमें से स्टेरॉइड हॉर्मोन्स का सेट चूज करना है, राइट? आई मेड द क्वेश्चन सिंपल फॉर यू. आर यू रेडी? 2 sets of hormones, insulin and glucagon, thyroxine and insulin, somatostatin or oxytocin, cortisol and testosterone. 15 seconds, hurry up. Write your correct answer. Which of the following pairs are examples of hormones that enter the cell membrane and bind in the nucleus? So of course children, right set of hormones is cortisol and testosterone, which are steroid hormones. Okay, cortisol and testosterone, which are examples of steroid hormones, not protein hormones. Next question, AIPMT. Match the source gland. सोर्स ग्लैंड गिवन है आपको ए कॉलम में, हार्मोन गिवन है और उसका रिस्पेक्टिव फंक्शन गिवन है. आपको करेक्ट सेट चूज करना है. पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी, कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम, थायराइड, इंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी. क्या पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी रिलीज करता है? वासोप्रेसिन. इट स्टिमुलेट्स रिजॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर इन डिस्टल कॉन्वोल्यूटेड पार्ट्स ऑफ ट्यूब्यूल. कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम रिलीज करता है एस्ट्रोजन, इट सपोर्ट्स प्रेगनेंसी. थायराइड हार्मोन रिलीज करता है थायरोक्सिन, जो कि रेगुलेट करेगा कैल्शियम लेवल को बॉडी में. एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है फॉर रिलीज ऑफ ऑक्सीटोसिन and it causes contraction of uterus muscles during childbirth. Which of the following gland matches with its right hormone and its right function? Read all the options carefully. Option A, B, C or D. Posterior pituitary, corpus luteum, thyroid or anterior pituitary. 15 seconds, hurry up. Source gland with its hormone as well as its function. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Of course, children, right answer is the vasopressin hormone. That is also called antidiuretic hormone. It is released from posterior part of pituitary along with oxytocin, right? Oxytocin और vasopressin दो ऐसे hormones हैं जो posterior pituitary से release होंगे. क्या काम है इनका? To increase resorption of water from the distal parts of the renal tubule. और ये कैसी reabsorption है? Conditional. Because generally ऐसा होता नहीं है. Only when the body is under water stress, तब ये condition आती है और तभी ये hormone release होता है. Clear? So that's under neural control. See here we have already marked. फिर से देख लो. Neurohypophysis, also called posterior pituitary, stores and releases two hormones, oxytocin and vasopressin. Okay, vasopressin क्या करेगा? किडनी पर जाकर एक्ट करेगा, स्टिमुलेट करेगा वाटर और इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स की रीअब्जॉर्प्शन को. कौन से पार्ट से? डिस्टल पार्ट ऑफ द रेनल ट्यूब्यूल से, सो दैट यूरिन में लॉस ऑफ वाटर कम हो, राइट? एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ADH हार्मोन, एंटी डायूरेटिक हार्मोन. क्लियर? Understood? Next question. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Glucagon, beta cells, somatostatin, delta cells, corpus luteum, relaxin, insulin, diabetes mellitus. Which of the following is incorrect pair? कौन से सेल से कौन सा हार्मोन नहीं रिलीज हो रहा है? Source is wrong. Glucagon, beta cells, somatostatin released from delta cells, corpus luteum from relaxin, corpus luteum relaxin secretion. Insulin causes diabetes mellitus. 15 seconds, hurry up, choose the wrong match. AIPMT 2010 question with reference to hormone, secretion, their cells and disease caused. So of course, children, we have read that glucagon is not released from beta cells, it is released from alpha cells. See, so there are two types of cells, There are two types of cells, right? The two main types of cells in islets of Langerhans called alpha cells and beta cells. Alpha cells secrete glucagon while beta cells secrete insulin. Is that clear? Alpha cells secrete glucagon and beta cells secrete insulin. Is that understood? Next question. Toxic agents present in food which interfere with thyroxine synthesis lead to the development of toxic goiter, cretinism, simple goiter, thyrotoxicosis. कौन से ऐसे टॉक्सिक एजेंट्स हैं फूड में जो थायरॉक्सिन हार्मोन की सिंथेसिस में इंटरफेयर करते हैं एंड दे में लीड टू डेवलपमेंट ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिजीजेस? टॉक्सिक गोइटर, क्रेटिनिज्म, सिंपल गोइटर, थायरोटॉक्सिकोसिस. 15 सेकेंड. सिंपल क्वेश्चन. एनसीईआरटी में जो आपने डिजीजेस पढ़े हैं उसी में से पूछा गया है, राइट? फूड में कुछ ऐसे एजेंट्स हो सकते हैं विच में कॉज hindrance in release of thyroxine hormone, basically leading to hypothyroidism, right? Hypothyroidism that leads to simple goiter, okay? Under secretion of thyroxine hormone. Clear? Simple goiter. Next question. AIPMT 2009 का क्वेश्चन है. fetal ejection reflex, जो आपने क्लास 12 ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन चैप्टर में भी पढ़ा है, राइट? तो फीटल इजेक्शन रिफ्लेक्स ह्यूमन फीमेल में कहां से इंड्यूस होता है? प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड, रिलीज ऑफ ऑक्सीटोसिन फ्रॉम पिट्यूटरी, फुल्ली डेवलप्ड फीटस एंड प्लेसेंटा, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ मेमरी ग्लैंड्स. फीटल इजेक्शन रिफ्लेक्स ह्यूमन फीमेल में कहां से इंड्यूस होगा? इज इट कमिंग फ्रॉम एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड, रिलीज ऑफ ऑक्सीटोसिन फ्रॉम पिट्यूटरी, fully developed fetus and placenta, or differentiation of mammary glands? 15 seconds, hurry up. Fetal ejection reflex is induced by 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Time up. Of course children, it is because of oxytocin hormone released from your posterior pituitary part, neurohypophysis part, that causes fetal ejection reflex. Okay, so these are the parts of pituitary that cause release of two hormones, oxytocin and vasopressin. Clear? See, oxytocin acts on smooth muscles of our body and stimulate their contraction. In case of female especially, it stimulates a vigorous contraction of uterus at the time of childbirth and milk ejection from the mammary glands. Okay, so that is the role of oxytocin, especially in the females. Is that clear? Next question. In human adult females, again same question है, 2008 में पूछा गया. पिछला क्वेश्चन था 2009 में, और देखो consecutively previous year में भी 2008 में भी यही सवाल है, अलग तरीके से. In human adult females, oxytocin is secreted by anterior pituitary, stimulates growth of mammary glands, stimulates pituitary to secrete vasopressin, causes strong uterine contractions during parturition. Parturition means childbirth, at the time of delivery of the baby. 15 seconds, hurry up. Simple question है, ज़्यादा time नहीं लगेगा. Oxytocin causes what action in the body? 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Time up. Of course, in human adult females, it is going to cause uterine contractions, contractions of the uterus muscles during parturition, which means childbirth. Okay, which means at the time of childbirth, oxytocin uterus की contraction कराएगा. Clear? AIPMT question. Which of the following pairs of organs includes only endocrine glands? अब हमें पता है दो तरह के ग्लैंड्स होते हैं, एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड, एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड. एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स आर डक्टलेस ग्लैंड्स. एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स आर डक्टलेस ग्लैंड्स. डक्टलेस मींस जिनमें कोई डक्ट्स नहीं होती, जो डायरेक्टली अपनी सेक्रेशंस कहाँ रिलीज करेंगे? ब्लड स्ट्रीम में. सो एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड डक्टलेस ग्लैंड्स. ओके, तो हमें चूज करना है इनमें से कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है डक्टलेस और एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स का. इज इट पैराथायरॉयड हार्मोन, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas and parathyroid gland, thymus and testes, adrenal and ovary. Choose the correct set of endocrine gland or ductless glands. Parathyroid and adrenal, pancreas and parathyroid, thymus and testes, adrenal and ovary. 15 seconds, hurry up. Which of the following pairs of organs includes endocrine glands? Which of the following? 3, 2, 1, time up. So of course the right answer is parathyroid gland or adrenal gland endocrine gland का part है, right? Endocrine means ductless glands. इनकी secretions क्या है? Parathyroid hormone PTH and adrenal gland releases adrenaline hormone. Okay? From the medulla. Clear? Next question. AIPMT 2007 से feeling the tremors of an earthquake, a scared resident of 7th floor of a multi-storied building starts climbing down the stairs rapidly. Which hormone initiated this reaction? So basically this is an emergency situation. Earthquake आया, right? 7th floor पे एक बच्चा है, एक person है who has realized that earthquake has come and he or she needs to rush down. So he is climbing stairs and coming down. तो ये जो rapid action है वो कौन से hormone की वजह से हो रहा है body में? Is it because of thyroxine, adrenaline, glucagon or gastrin hormone? Which hormone is responsible for initiating the action in this emergency situation? 15 seconds, hurry up. Write your answer. Feeling the tremors of an earthquake, scared resident of 7th floor of a multi-storied building starts climbing the stairs rapidly. Which hormone initiated this reaction? Of course, children, the emergency hormone, fight or flight hormone, right? Fight or flight hormone induces the person to act under this emergency situation. Okay? Clear? Understood? Next question. AIPMT 2007 से in the human female, menstruation can be deferred by the administration of LH only, combination of FSH and LH, combination of estrogen and progesterone, FSH only. Read the question. In a human female, menstruation can be deferred by the administration of, hurry up, deferred means stopped by, okay, stopped by the administration of. 15 seconds, hurry up, write your answer quickly. So time up. Of course, children, it is the combination of, oh, wait a second. So it is the combination of estrogen and progesterone, right? These two hormones can bring down a halt to the menstruation cycle for a while. Okay, is that clear? So that is female hormones, estrogen and progesterone related to your menstruation cycle. AIPMT question. A person is having problems with calcium and phosphorus metabolism in his body. Which of the following glands may not be functioning properly? If calcium and phosphorus is not breaking down, not metabolizing properly in the body, तो कौन सा gland affected हो सकता है? Parathyroid, parotid, pancreas or thyroid gland? Which of the following person is having problem, right, in metabolizing these mineral ions? So what could be the problem? 15 seconds, hurry up. Write your answer. Write your answer, come on. Option A, B, C or D. Time up. Of course, children, the right answer is, it is the parathyroid hormone responsible for metabolism of कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फोरस इन दी बॉडी। तो अगर कैल्शियम फॉस्फोरस का मेटाबॉलिज्म अफेक्टेड है, मतलब बॉडी में कौन सा हार्मोन नहीं सिक्रीट हो रहा है प्रॉपर्ली? पैराथायरॉइड हार्मोन, पैराथायरॉइड हार्मोन। इज दैट क्लियर? सो सी हियर, you can read from this, we have already marked, हमने पहले भी कर लिया इसको mark, right? Parathyroid gland secrete a peptide hormone called parathyroid hormone. It is regulated by circulating levels of calcium ions. अगर body में calcium ions decline कर जाते हैं तो ये hormone release होता है. So PTH increases calcium levels in the blood. It acts on bones and stimulates the process of bone resorption. तो जैसे कि ये mineral ions की बात हो रही है, calcium, phosphorus, इनका मेटाबॉलिज्म अगर बॉडी में अफेक्टेड है तो इट इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ पैराथायरॉइड ग्लैंड। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सर्टोली सेल्स आर रेगुलेटेड बाय पिट्यूटरी हार्मोन नोन एज, सर्टोली सेल्स बॉडी में कौन से पिट्यूटरी हार्मोन के इफेक्ट से चलते हैं? फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन, ग्रोथ हार्मोन, प्रोलैक्टिन, ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन। Which hormone is going to affect the activity of Sertoli cells? Okay, Sertoli cells हमने ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन में पढ़ा है अच्छे से, राइट? स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस में यूज होते हैं। तो कौन से हार्मोन के एक्शन से ये होगा? 15 seconds, hurry up, write your answer. Yes, what's the right answer? So time up. Of course children, it is going to be regulated by follicular stimulating hormone. FSH in case of males is going to affect the Sertoli cells and hence the spermatogenesis. In males, FSH and androgens regulate spermatogenesis, especially Sertoli cell formation is regulated by FSH that support the process of sperm formation. Okay, clear? Next question, which of the following is an accumulation and release center of neurohormones? न्यूरोहॉर्मोन्स का accumulation कहाँ होता है, रिलीज कहाँ होता है? posterior pituitary lobe में, intermediate lobe of pituitary, hypothalamus और anterior pituitary lobe. Which of the following is an accumulation and release center? तो ये क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली 3 से 4 बार रिपीट हो चुका है PYQs में. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेंबर कि कौन सा ऐसा पार्ट है बॉडी का जहां पर सिर्फ स्टोरेज होगी और रिलीज होगा हार्मोन्स का, राइट? देयर विल बी नो सिंथेसिस टेकिंग प्लेस. 15 seconds, simple question, hurry up, write your answer. Posterior pituitary lobe, intermediate lobe of the pituitary, hypothalamus hormone, it is not hormone, neurohormones related to hypothalamus, और anterior pituitary lobe. So of course children, ये कौन से हार्मोन की बात हो रही है? हाइपोथैलेमस की. ठीक है, यहां पर रिलीज सेंटर है न्यूरो हार्मोन्स का, राइट? इट्स अ रिलीज सेंटर ऑफ न्यूरो हार्मोन. सी, यू कैन मार्क इट हियर. Hypothalamus is the basal part of diencephalon, which is part of your forebrain. It regulates spectrum of body functions. It contains a group of neurosecretory cells called nuclei, which produce hormones. And these hormones regulate the secretion of pituitary hormone. So basically master gland is hypothalamus. Okay, इसको भी कौन फंक्शन करने के लिए इनिशिएशन देता है, स्टिमुलेशन देता है? इट कम्स फ्रॉम hypothalamus. Clear? Chemically hormones are what? Biogenic amines only, proteins, steroids, biogenic amines, proteins only, steroids only. नेचर क्या होती है हॉर्मोन्स की? क्या वो हमेशा प्रोटीनेशियस होते हैं, या बायोजेनिक अमीन्स हो सकते हैं, स्टेरॉइड्स हो सकते हैं, और प्रोटीन्स और स्टेरॉइड्स ओनली. 15 seconds, simple question. The nature of hormones is also given in your NCERT book. उसी में से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Of course children, the hormones in your body could be proteinaceous also, steroid hormones also, and biogenic hormones also. ठीक है, chemical nature कुछ भी हो सकता है depending upon the type of hormone. Next question, AIPMT 2004 से, which of the following hormones is not a secretion product of human placenta? मैंने हमेशा कहा है जब भी कोई आपको नो, नॉट, फॉल्स, रॉन्ग, इनकरेक्ट टाइप का वर्ड मिले, आप उसको ऑलरेडी पहले ही हाईलाइट कर लो. ओके, तो कौन सा ऐसा हार्मोन है जो ह्यूमन प्लासेंटा से सिक्रीट नहीं होता है? HCG हार्मोन, ह्यूमन कोरियोनिक गोनाडोट्रोपिन, प्रोलैक्टिन, एस्ट्रोजन, प्रोजेस्टेरॉन. Which of the following hormones is not secreted from human placenta? HCG, prolactin, estrogen और progesterone. 15 seconds, simple question. जिन बच्चों ने ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन चैप्टर पढ़ा है क्लास 12th का, वो और इजीली आंसर कर पाएंगे. दे विल बी एबल टू रिकॉल. और इस चैप्टर में तो मेंशन है ही. 3, 2, 1, टाइम अप. ऑफ कोर्स प्रोलैक्टिन. Prolactin is released from pituitary gland, right? It is not released from the placenta. Placenta releases HCG, estrogen and progesterone. Okay, clear? So see, which part releases this prolactin hormone? See, the pars distalis region of pituitary, pituitary gland, commonly called anterior pituitary, produces growth hormone, prolactin hormone. So PRL hormone, prolactin hormone, right? TSH hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, and even adrenal corticotrophic hormone, luteinizing hormone, FSH hormone, growth hormone, they all released from anterior pituitary. So it is not a production of human placenta. Clear? Next question. AIPMT 2004 से, which of the following pairs correctly matches a hormone with a disease resulting from its deficiency? ऐसा कौन सा पेयर है जो करेक्ट मैच कर रहा है डिजीज के साथ, राइट? जो कि उस पर्टिकुलर हार्मोन की डेफिशिएंसी के कारण बॉडी में होता है. ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन कॉजेस फेलियर ऑफ ओव्यूलेशन, इंसुलिन कॉजेस डायबिटीज इंसिपिडस, थायरॉक्सिन हार्मोन कॉजेस टेटनी, parathyroid hormone causes diabetes mellitus. Which of the following hormone correctly matches with the kind of deficiency, disease or defect that happens because of its deficiency symptoms? 15 seconds, hurry up. Which of the following pairs correctly matches a hormone with a disease resulting from its deficiency? 3, 2, 1, time up. Of course children, the right answer is luteinizing hormone. Females में अगर नहीं release होगा, that will lead to failure of ovulation. Ovulation means ovum will not be released. Okay, so you can see that LH, in males LH stimulates secretion of hormones called androgens, and in case of females LH induces ovulation of fully mature follicles, right? So lack of ovulation हो जाएगा अगर LH right amount में नहीं secrete हो रहा है in the body. Okay, so it is responsible for maintaining, right, corpus luteum and causing ovulation. Is that clear? Next question, 2002 AIPMT. Mainly which type of hormones control the menstrual cycle in human beings? FSH, LH, FSH, LH, एस्ट्रोजन और प्रोजेस्टेरॉन. कौन से हॉर्मोन्स इंडिविजुअली या इन अ कॉम्बिनेशन रेगुलेट करते हैं मेंस्ट्रुएशन को इन केस ऑफ फीमेल्स? दैट्स द क्वेश्चन. 15 seconds, hurry up. Simple question. That's a simple question. You have read menstruation cycle in class 12th. Combination or individually, which type of hormone secrete? Which type of hormones regulate menstruations? Of course it is FSH, LH and estrogen, which in a combination are going to regulate the menstruation in females. Next question. Melatonin is secreted by, so which part of the body secretes, which gland of the body secretes melatonin? Skin, thymus, pituitary, pineal gland. Very simple question from 2000. 15 seconds, simple question. Hurry up. Melatonin is secreted by skin, thymus, pituitary or pineal gland. 3, 2, 1, time up. So of course children, right answer is pineal gland is responsible for secreting melatonin, जो आपकी स्लीप वेक साइकिल को रेगुलेट करता है। क्लियर? मेलानोसाइट स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन MSH is produced by which part? Anterior pituitary, posterior pituitary, pars intermedia of pituitary or parathyroid gland? Again question from 2000 only. 15 seconds, write your answer. Melanocyte stimulating hormone is produced by anterior pituitary, posterior pituitary, pars intermedia or parathyroid hormone. 3, 2, 1, time up. So of course children, it is released by pars intermedia of pituitary. Pars intermedia region of pituitary causes release of MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone. Okay, see here, pars intermedia secretes only one hormone, so that's why it has been asked, क्योंकि एक ही है MSH, that is melanocyte stimulating hormone. Okay, clear? तो pars intermedia region जो है anterior pituitary का, वो MSH को रिलीज करता है. ओके, अदर पार्ट्स आर रिलीजिंग अदर हॉर्मोन्स. जो ये लिस्ट ऑफ हॉर्मोन्स अभी हमने पढ़ा था, ग्रोथ हार्मोन, प्रोलैक्टिन, थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन, ACTH, LH, FSH. ओके, डायबिटीज इज ड्यू टू, सिंपल क्वेश्चन AIPMT का, आयोडीन डेफिशिएंसी, हार्मोनल डेफिशिएंसी, सोडियम डेफिशिएंसी और एंजाइम डेफिशिएंसी. वेरी वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. 15 seconds, हरी अप. Diabetes is caused due to iodine deficiency, hormonal deficiency, sodium deficiency or enzyme deficiency. 3, 2, 1, time up. Of course, it is caused by lack of insulin hormone. Okay, option B. Next question, 1998. Hormone which regulates the basal metabolism in our body. हमारी body का जो basal metabolism maintain करने के लिए हार्मोन रिक्वायर्ड है, विच इज दैट? पिट्यूटरी, थायराइड, एड्रिनल कॉर्टेक्स, पैनक्रियाज. तो बेसिकली दे आर आस्किंग यू द ग्लैंड, विच ग्लैंड इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट? पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, थायराइड ग्लैंड, एड्रिनल ग्लैंड और पैनक्रियाज. 15 seconds, हरी अप. बेसल मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ अ बॉडी is maintained by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time up. Of course, it is secreted by thyroid hormone, right? Thyroxine hormone बॉडी का बेसल मेटाबॉलिज्म मेंटेन करने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हार्मोन है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, AIPMT में it has been asked thrice. Occurrence of Leydig cells and their secretion is by ovary and estrogen, liver and cholesterol, pancreas and glucagon, testes and testosterone. तो ये जो आपको फर्स्ट वर्ड दिया है, that is the name of the gland, right, from where it is secreted, and the second term that is given is the hormone, that is the secretion name. Leydig cells, right, और उनकी जो secretion है, sperm formation की बात हो रही है, right, वो कहाँ से होती है? तो आपको इनफैक्ट आंसर का बहुत अच्छा हिंट मिल गया. 15 seconds, hurry up. Leydig cells are associated with the secretion of, come on, write your correct answer. Leydig cells are responsible for secreting testosterone. They are part of testes and they release testosterone hormone. Okay, so Leydig cells occur in testes and their secretion is testosterone. So children, that was all. These were the questions from chapter Chemical Control and Coordination, जो last chapter है आपकी Human Physiology Unit का. नेक्स्ट वीक से हम एक और नई सीरीज के साथ आपके साथ मिलेंगे, राइट? आई होप आपने अच्छे से सारे क्वेश्चंस, सारे PYQs फ्रॉम ऑल द चैप्टर्स प्रैक्टिस किए हैं. जिन बच्चों ने प्रीवियस सेशंस नहीं देखे हैं वो इसी चैनल पर वेदांतु नीट मेड इजी पर वीडियो सेक्शन में जाकर सभी के सभी PYQs का जो सेशन है वो अटेंड कर सकते हैं. I am your master teacher Kanika. I am going to see you now next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.